This library in town, I think, is just out of this world. My name is Indrani, and I've been in Christchurch since 1972. I used to have a business in Durham Street, facing the Bridge of Remembrance, and the library was across the road from us. I find the library has a huge resource, and the best part is that I love to learn new things. I knew I had slides going back years and years and years, and I knew that you need to digitize them, but I didn't know how to do it. And then I got this newsletter, and it said, we've got tech help on the 4th floor. There were young people helping you, there were older people helping you, and they just took on what your problem was and just worked you through, but they didn't actually judge you, and that for an older person is very important. And I've digitized over 1,500 slides, and the photos I found, we didn't even know they existed, because it went back to my university days in India, went back to when my children were born. You can think of any project and just walk in here and find how to tackle it. That, to me, is the best thing ever.